So here we are with the 6 lights. Right now we took one out so you guys can see the LED lights. There's a solar panel here in the side, and then you got the LED lights on the. Now these are waterproof, water resistance. You could keep them indoor, outdoor. Just make sure you get enough lighting throughout the day. Now on the side of it, you get the actual power button on, all right? And these are day to night mode, so they'll turn automatically on. Now the side panel here, you got 2 options here. You could actually anchor them or hang these if you want, or they actually give you double-sided 3M tape if you want. Really strong tape. That's about 1.5 pound tape strong, so this is perfect if you want to set it up. This is indoor, outdoor also graded, and you either put them on the side of the panel. Just make sure that you have plenty of sunlight when you're charging these, all right? And they'll look beautiful at night. So hope you guys enjoy the video.